everybody, I'm Joey with createwithjoey.com is my blog, and I'm here to just talk to you a little bit about my monthly card subscription club. It's called Be Creative Club, and every month you get supplies for 5 cards with all the cut supplies and all the materials to make them, plus about $20 in more products. Think designer paper, embellishments, ribbon, things like that, and a PDF tutorial as well. So I'm really excited about the August Be Creative Club. We're going to be working with a beautiful stamp set called Textured Floral. This is the name of it, or I know it's going to be backwards on the video. And then the dies that go along with that. So these are the dies. So what else about it would you probably want to know? So if you'd like to get this kit, you would want to sign up before August 10th. If you're already subscribed, you might not want to continue watching because I'm going to give a little sneak peek of the cards we're making. But if you haven't subscribed, or you want to see the projects anyway, though you already are subscribed, then stay tuned and I'll show those to you. So you need to sign up before August 10th if you'd like to subscribe this for August. And then you're completely in control of your subscription, so you can cancel after that if you want to, or if you stay in for 6 months consecutively or longer, every 6 months you get a $25 gift certificate on products that you can choose. So let me go ahead and give you a little sneak peek of these beautiful cards. So I'm going to show them quickly, and then I'll show you also a suggestion of the supplies needed. Now, if you don't have this bundle, you can add it to your subscription this month without any tax or shipping. Or if you want to just substitute with something you have, then that will work too. You still get all the supplies and you can make your cards however you want them. If you want to make them like I want them, of course you will need the bundle, so the Textured Floral bundle and the Textured Floral dies. The other things you might want to have on hand, again, if you want to make your cards like I made them, I used the Berry Burst ink pad, I used the Azure Afternoon, I used Garden Green, Lemon Lolly, I know you can't see the names of these, Lemon Lime Twist, and Fresh Freesia. So those are the colors I used. If you'd like more information about my club, just you can click on Be Creative. I'll have the link. Sorry, I'm getting tongue-tied. I'll put the link to all the information. It's on my blog, createwithjoey.com. And if you're subscribed to my newsletter, I always send out a lot of information about my club in my newsletter too. And if you're not subscribed to my newsletter, you can find a way to subscribe at createwithjoey.com. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye-bye.